Hello, this is Team 8310 and we are demoing the results of the second sprint. Just as a reminder for what our project is about, it is an Android application named HearATale that provides children with a database of nursery rhymes and associated quizzes. During this sprint, we were able to build on the groundwork laid out in Sprint 1 by adding more user stories, specifically viewing rhymes and quizzes. The landing screen for the application has not received any changes. Logging in follows the same steps as before. Currently, only mother links to a rhyme list, but all of them will be functional next sprint. Additionally, user interface updates will most likely be held until the final sprint to ensure core functionality is handled first. Once a category has been selected, the user is taken to a list of all the rhymes in that category. Currently, 10 rhymes have been included for this category. The current image seen here is a placeholder until we determine what image works best to represent the rhymes. You can scroll through the images to see the different rhymes, with each image linking to a different rhyme.
One misty, moisty morning, when cloudy was the weather, I happened to meet an old man clothed all in leather. He began to compliment, and I began to grin. How do you do? And how do you do? And how do you do again?
And if we go back to the rhyme screen and select the first one,
Little Nanny Etticoat in a white petticoat and a red nose. The longer she stands, the shorter she grows.
you can see that it plays an entirely different rhyme. If we scroll all the way to the end of the list, and click the last one,
Cock-a-doodle-doo! My mistress has lost her shoe. My master's lost his fiddlestick and doesn't know what to do.
you can see that again a completely different rhyme plays. Previously, the text at the top was a button, but is now just text after getting clarification from the client. Lastly, a mock quiz page has been implemented with a sound file from one of the questions. If I click on the first rhyme and then the question mark,
Little Nanny
Mother Goose would ride on a very fine what?
then you can see that an audio file for the question plays. Due to the large amount of questions, we have not come up with a solution to implement them yet, but we'll focus on this for the next sprint. Currently, this screen shows a rough idea of the question format we will use.